how to reduce render time in Premiere Pro. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this one. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to pre-render our file. So here, for example, we have a lot of videos here. This is a total of 10 minutes or 11 minutes rather. Now say for example we are about to export them, just go ahead and click the sequence here and then make sure that you are going to click render in to out. So you're just going to wait for this to be done, but this is going to make your export process really quick. Alright, once it's done, you should be able to see it like this. As you can see in our timeline here, the previous yellow here is gone and now it is green, meaning we have already rendered this out. So say for example, we are going to export this one. I'm going to hit Control M and you should be able to see something like this. Now, what you are going to do is that here in the render settings, you are going to make sure that you are clicking this Use Previews here. If you are going to click this one after rendering, it is actually going to make the rendering process a lot faster. Now, apart from that one, there's something else that I'm going to show you. We're going to go back here and basically I'm going to go ahead and recommend you this one right here. So under the encoding settings, you should be able to use the hardware encoding. This is because I have an NVIDIA graphics card. If you have a graphics card, make sure that you are using it and use hardware encoding. Now, another thing is that if we are going to scroll down here, we should be able to see here the bitrate settings. Now, under the bitrate encoding, we're going to change this one and then we're going to choose CBR. CBR stands for constant bitrate, meaning the bitrate for the entire video is going to be the same. That is going to make rendering a lot faster because it doesn't have to adjust the video's bitrate every now and then. And then you have the target bitrate here. Now this is actually going to depend on where you are going to upload. However, for YouTube here, for example, for videos with standard frame rate of 24, 25 to 30, here is the recommended bitrate. Now currently I'm exporting a 1080p, meaning I can go ahead and use 8 Mbps or 12 Mbps for high frame rate. Now again, I'm just going to go ahead and try to give a little bit of a wiggle room, so we're going to go for 10. So we're going to go back here and yes, we're going to set this one to 10. And yeah, once you're done, you can go ahead and export it here in Premiere Pro. And that is how to reduce render time in Premiere Pro.